Today I'm going to share the 4 most effective vitamins that can help dissolve blood clots, clear blocked veins, and significantly boost circulation in your legs. The final vitamin on this list is by far the most powerful, the one studied most extensively for helping older adults avoid serious problems with their veins and heart. But first, check whether you're experiencing any of these 5 warning signs. If even one applies to you, your circulation could already be struggling, and this information could genuinely make a difference. Stay through to the end, because I'll also share a complete recipe for a powerful circulation-boosting juice. Here are 5 common signs that your circulatory system may be breaking down. If you notice even one, your body is already sending you a signal. The first is ongoing tingling or an odd, uncomfortable feeling in your feet and legs. It might start out mild, almost like your leg has fallen asleep, but keeps returning without any clear reason. This happens because your peripheral nerves aren't getting enough oxygen, since your blood isn't circulating properly. When oxygen-poor blood struggles to reach your extremities, the nerves send out distress signals, and that tingling is exactly that. The second is having cold feet even when it's warm out. Many people chalk this up to simply getting older, but that assumption is inaccurate. Cold feet in a warm setting usually means blood isn't reaching those areas well enough. A biological red flag, not just age. The third is intense cramping while walking, or cramps that jolt you awake at night. Waking at 2 or 3 a.m. with cramps isn't something to brush off. This is known as intermittent claudication and happens because your muscles are asking for more oxygen than they're receiving. Restless leg syndrome at night is another strong indicator of poor circulation, worth having checked. The fourth involves changes to your skin and slow-healing wounds. Look closely at the skin on your feet and lower legs. Has it gotten paler or taken on a purplish tint? Discolored brown or reddish patches that weren't there before? These signal that blood is pooling, veins are weakening under pressure, and skin isn't getting the nutrients it needs. This is also why wounds heal so slowly, and swelling becomes such a stubborn issue for people with poor circulation. The fifth is varicose veins and spider veins, twisted, bulging, inflamed veins visible near the skin's surface. Many dismiss them as cosmetic, but they're actually clear evidence that vein valves aren't working properly. Blood is flowing backward or getting trapped, and pressure inside the veins is steadily building. All 5 point to one thing: your circulation needs real attention, and it needs it now. Let's walk through the vitamins that can genuinely improve circulation, strengthen vein walls, and help prevent dangerous clots. Vitamin number 1 is niacin, also known as vitamin B3, key for flexible veins and a resilient heart. Research into nutrition and disease prevention shows niacin is one of the most powerful allies for keeping veins and arteries supple, preventing blockages, and supporting healthy blood flow to the legs. Picture your arteries and veins as pipes that harden and narrow with buildup over time. Niacin works in the opposite direction, opening those pathways, clearing buildup, and strengthening the walls. It helps reduce clot formation, keeps arteries flexible, improves blood flow to the extremities, and supports heart health by helping lower harmful LDL cholesterol while raising protective HDL. That combination helps prevent the plaque buildup that eventually leads to blockages, strokes, and heart attacks. Niacin's benefits extend to brain health too. Studies show it helps protect brain tissue from age-related oxidative stress and supports memory and mental clarity. Good natural sources include eggs, chicken breast, salmon and tuna, and almonds. A balanced diet can easily meet your daily niacin needs. Adults generally need 14 to 16 milligrams daily, and a single 100-gram serving of chicken breast covers more than half that. One caution: too much niacin in supplement form can trigger a niacin flush. Warmth, redness, and itching. It's not dangerous, but uncomfortable, which is another reason food is the smarter route. Vitamin number 2 is vitamin C, a guardian for your veins and skin. It isn't just an immune booster. It plays a structural role in maintaining veins, arteries, and leg skin. Your veins and arteries are made of tissue that must stay firm and elastic under constant pressure, built through collagen, and your body can't produce collagen without vitamin C. When collagen production drops, vein walls weaken, inflammation increases, varicose veins develop, and skin becomes fragile and slower to heal. Vitamin C also acts as a natural anti-inflammatory. If your legs feel heavy by day's end or ankles swell after activity, vascular inflammation could be a factor. It also speeds up wound healing, especially important for older adults, since cuts that take weeks to close are often linked to poor blood flow and insufficient vitamin C. Good sources include oranges, lemons, strawberries, kiwi, which has more vitamin C per gram than an orange, guava, broccoli, red bell peppers, and spinach. Eat these fresh when possible, since vitamin C breaks down quickly with heat and light exposure. More than 2,000 milligrams a day can cause stomach upset and, over time, raise kidney stone risk. Vitamin number 3 is vitamin K, key to preventing dangerous clots and arterial stiffness, especially important if you're on blood thinners like warfarin. It serves two functions: precisely regulating blood clotting and helping prevent calcium buildup inside artery walls, which otherwise causes arteries to stiffen and narrow, a major factor in clots, strokes, and heart attacks. Sufficient vitamin K helps veins and arteries stay flexible and deliver blood to the feet and calves more effectively, lowering the likelihood of varicose veins or clot-related issues. Good sources include leafy greens like broccoli, kale, cabbage, spinach, Swiss chard, and parsley, plus kiwi and green grapes. A simple daily juice: blend 1 cup of spinach or kale, 1 stalk of celery, 1 kiwi or half a red apple, a small piece of ginger, 4 or 5 mint leaves, and a pinch of cinnamon. Drink it unstrained in the morning. For anyone on warfarin or blood thinners, you don't need to avoid vitamin K-rich vegetables. The real issue is sudden dramatic changes in how much you eat day to day, which can throw off how your medication behaves. Eat leafy greens regularly and consistently, and discuss any major dietary changes with your doctor so medication can be adjusted accordingly. Vitamin number 4 is vitamin E, the standout vitamin for strong veins and clear arteries, and the most powerful of the four. As we age, cells and blood vessels experience oxidative stress, like metal rusting over time, damaging the tissue-lining blood vessels. Vitamin E is a fat-soluble antioxidant that neutralizes free radicals before they cause damage, helping vein walls stay strong and slowing vascular aging. It also reduces platelet clumping, helping prevent dangerous clots, and supports nitric oxide production, which relaxes artery walls, widens arteries, lowers blood pressure, and eases the heart's workload. Good sources include egg yolks, almonds, pumpkin and sunflower seeds, spinach, broccoli, avocado, and extra virgin olive oil. About 30 grams of almonds provides nearly half your daily requirement. High-dose vitamin E supplements, especially above 400 IU daily D, have been linked to higher bleeding risk, particularly for those on blood thinners or aspirin, so food sources remain the better strategy. Together, B3 keeps arterial walls open and flexible, C builds the collagen structure of veins, K regulates clotting and prevents calcium buildup, and E protects and helps arteries dilate at a cellular level, forming a powerful team for strong legs, resilient veins, and a well-performing heart. To work these into daily life, B3 in the morning, C at breakfast or lunch, K with your main meal, and E alongside healthy fats. For breakfast, a boiled egg, kiwi or guava, a handful of almonds, and warm lemon water. For lunch, grilled chicken or salmon with a spinach or kale salad, olive oil, and avocado. For dinner, a light spinach and avocado salad with pumpkin or sunflower seeds and herbal tea. A helpful daily juice: blend spinach, celery, kiwi or green apple, ginger, mint leaves, and cinnamon with water, unstrained, first thing in the morning. Other daily habits worth building: walk 20 to 25 minutes daily, avoid crossing legs for long periods, avoid sitting more than 45 minutes without moving, elevate your legs for 10 minutes before bed, and stay well hydrated, since dehydration thickens blood and raises clot risk. Important precautions: if you're on warfarin, keep vitamin K intake steady and consistent rather than changing it suddenly. If you have diabetes, high blood pressure, or heart disease, talk to your doctor before starting any supplement routine. For a focused 10-day boost, try this juice each morning on an empty stomach, then 3 times weekly afterward. 1 cup spinach, 1 stalk celery, 1 kiwi or half a green apple, a small piece of ginger, 4 mint leaves, and a pinch of cinnamon, blended with water and consumed unstrained. Wait 20 to 30 minutes before breakfast. Combined with these vitamins, regular walking, and good hydration, many people notice lighter legs, reduced swelling, and less tingling within about 10 days. One final note: if you're currently taking medication for blood pressure, diabetes, heart disease, or blood clotting, don't stop or change your prescribed treatment. This routine works alongside medical care, not as a replacement, and any significant dietary changes, especially involving blood thinners, should be discussed with your doctor first.